I recognize Representative Tina Pancho.
Mr. Chair, first manifestation to our Secretary. Mr. Quick Response, laging sakto ang serbisyo sa tao. To our Secretary Rex Gatchalian, thank you very much for all the assistance and ayuda extended to the 2nd District of Bulacan, including of course our Regional Director. Baka kasi akala na ating kulig na si Sir Rufus Rodriguez, siya lang may mahusay. Meron din po kami. Our Regional Director, Venus Buldela. Yun. Siyempre, hindi po kami patatalo sa district namin. Just a clarification, Mr. Chair, kasi yung AX natin, at saka yung AKAP, di ba? So, yung AKAP po natin, para nagkikater siya to a particular sector. Yung not enough ang income. So, we have the TODA, jeepney driver, market vendor. Pero yung AX, it's different. Kung kailangan natin ng medical assistance, we can ask through AX. Burial assistance, transpo, and even educational assistance. So, pwede ba natin i-continue yung AX? Kasi dito nakalagay we have 6,075,956. We can double that. Kasi napakasipag ng baba ng ayuda ng DSWD.
Madam Chair, first of all, thank you to the good Congresswoman. We have, for the record, we have also amended the guidelines ng AKAP to make it more responsive to the needs of our people, especially our low-income citizens. We will labor to make sure that it supports the other social protection program, which is AIX. Madam Chair, ang lagi lang naming hiling, nasabi ko na kanina, na sana madagdagan kami ng tao to be able to disburse faster. Kasi we want to do simultaneous disbursements, although we have motions already or initiatives to automate it. Pero we all know that the social workers still play a crucial role doon sa intake. At importante na makuha at nang mahusay yung buong storya ng tao para angkop yung naitutulong sa kanya. So, Madam Chair, first, the AKAP guidelines have been published, and it's now more responsive and more in tune with the times to be able to support the purpose it was intended for. And two, we are thankful to the Congresswoman for acknowledging the response time of DSWD. Pero sa paglaguho ng departamento, humiling ho kami ng dagdag na tao. At not just contract of service ho, kasi yun ho, may limitations sila. Sana ho mga contractual and permanent positions para mabigyan lang, hindi lang ho magampanan yung trabaho na mas mabilis, kundi mabigyan rin natin ng sapat na proteksyon ang ating mga social worker na matagal na hong nasa departamento pero up to now, contract of service pa rin ho.
That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much po.
Thank you. And just for the information of Kong Trina, there's this memorandum circular number 30 that was recently provided by the DSWD to streamline the implementation of the AKA program.
Madam Chair, we'll be more than happy to send somebody to the office of the good Congresswoman to appraise her Chief of Staff on how she can refer more of her constituents to the department using the different social protection programs.